Hello dear students, my name is Dr. Diallo. I'm going to present to you the ESP course for Santé Communautaire. The chapter is entitled How Health Should Be Defined. You know, in community health, health is a very important component because the specialism, the field of study is about health. So health community is about the promotion of the health of the population. So health is really an important element of this field. Now the definition of health. We're going to define health. Health has been defined first by before 1948, then in 1948, but this definition of health is still posing problem. Before 1948, the definition of health was a negative one, absence of disease or infirmity. But in 1948, there was a proposition, a formulation of a new formulation that revolutionized the definition of health. That new definition of health was a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. In this new definition, three dimensions are considered: the physical dimension, the mental dimension, and the social dimension of health. But since 1948, we have had the same definition. But since 1945, things have changed. The population pattern or the population demography has changed, and the pattern of new types of diseases, what poses serious health problems, have also changed. In the 1940s, or after the 1940s, let's say, the main types of diseases were acute diseases, communicable diseases. But today we are seeing more and more chronic diseases posing serious health problems. And then these new changes have to be taken into account. And so in that case, the definition of health given in 1948 is no longer operational. It is even counterproductive. So it is time to change that and to see a new definition that is adapted to the new realities. There was a conference in Holland that proposes a new definition of health. After this conference, what was proposed was this: that health is the ability to adapt and to self-manage. Adaptation to the new environment, adaptation to new diseases, and to self-manage, because our body is also a system that auto-regulates itself. So we should take into account the new realities, changing environment, and the capacity of the body to adapt and self-manage. Then we have a number of reading comprehension questions. Answer the questions, true or false questions, information transfer, and then vocabulary related to the text, and then you complete sentences using the text, the ideas from the text, and then at the end you have word formation. Word formation, try to see the form of the word given that is missing, whether it is a noun, a verb, or adjective. And at the end of the text, that is a summary of the text, you have to complete to fill in the gaps, and this text will summarize the text on the definition of health. So you choose the right word, whether it is a verb, a noun, or an adjective. Thank you.